Alright guys, I am a small content creator and I'm in the tutorial space, and I just would like to show you my revenue stream of how much YouTube paid me as a small content creator with just about 2,700 subscribers. And you will see how much this niche is paying, how much money I'm making with just 2,000 subscribers as a very small channel. You might find some motivation in this, and it might inspire you to jump into the niche. I can tell you from experience that I'm running quite a few YouTube channels, particularly in this niche of tutorials. I'm doing how-to guides and it's in the technology space. And to be honest, I've been researching this niche for over some time now, and channels out there that have a lot more subscribers than myself are really crushing it. So yeah, you might find value. So let's head over to my screen so that I can show you how much money I'm making with just over 2,000 subscribers and how much I made in the month of November. Let's jump in. We're currently in December, so if I click to this drop down here and go to November, you will see that YouTube paid me in the month of November $367.20. Not bad, right, for a small channel. And I'm telling you guys, it is not bad because lots of channel within this space, they're making ridiculous money, right? When I say ridiculous money, I'm going to show you a little proof here. So let me open up another tab here, and if I go to like Social Blade, let's go to Social Blade, and you will see that my channel right now is doing around $440, let's say approximate, right, currently. And I think that it's not accurate because last month it was saying that I was doing around $420, but I get like 300 and something, right, 367. So it's not far off, but you can see that, it's not so bad, right, in terms of the estimate. So channel in my niche, I'm going to show you a channel. Look for example at this channel here, guide rem, right, guide rem videos. And if I search this channel, guys, they're making similar kind of content, and look at how much money this channel is actually earning. I know it looks ridiculous, right? But I'm telling you, channels within this niche, they can grow and they can make some crazy money per month. So I would say estimate this channel is making around 55 or 58,000 US per month currently. And but they have quite a lot of videos, right? They have over 8,000 videos, and these are mostly evergreen videos. Of course, they have a large subscription base and a lot of views, and this channel started back in 2012. So it requires consistency, and there's a lot of videos, but you can see that these videos can really add up, and the views can add up, and you can make quite a lot of money, right? So quite a lot of money. Now, in my case, I have over 1,000 and something videos. If I go back to my channel here, you can see that my channel is yet to blow up. My channel have over 1,600 videos because I've been consistent, and I have over 900,000 views. So my channel started back in June 2023, and yeah, it's currently making not much, but it's relatively decent for the size of the channel with just over 2,700 subscribers, right? So you can imagine that a channel that is yet to blow up, right, is still growing. Whenever this channel blows up, it could get pretty nice. So I just have to stick with it, right? Stick with it and be consistent. So yeah, there you have it, guys. A channel with 2,700 subscribers, uh, last month made just $367.20 from just AdSense. And this is only AdSense because I don't even calculate how much I got paid from collaborations or companies reaching out to me, want to me to make like a review video for them, and they paid me money for that. So company might reach out to me and they say, hey, I want you to make a review video, and how much would you charge? And I might say $50 for a 3-minute videos, or $100 for a quick review video, or I can do in-depth review for this tool or this product. I can make a playlist for this channel, and they can offer, I don't know, $1,000 or $500 to make maybe 5 to 8 videos. It depends, right? So I've had one company who asked me to make in-depth review for their entire product, and I made how to do this, how to do that with their videos, and I make like an entire playlist, and they paid me $750. So it can really adds up. And at that time, I had just over like 1,500 subscribers, so it can really adds up. But of course, you have to have like really, let's say, targeted niche, and you have to have a dedicated channel. So I really like this space, and that's why for this channel I want to share with you as much as possible as I can, and let you know that a niche like this exists. And if you'd like to learn more, check out the channel, subscribe to this channel, because I go in depth and I share with you behind the scenes how this model work, how I'm doing my channel, how I'm creating my channel, how I optimize my channel, how I'm doing my research, and a whole lot of stuff. So if you'd like to learn, hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's continue to have some fun here, guys. And you might find this niche lovable, you might find this niche enjoyable, and you might just be motivated to start a tutorial channel for yourself. So that's how much I made last month, guys. I hope you find it valuable, and looking forward to